Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a witch's broom. It's gonna be step-by-step for beginners, and it's gonna be easy, okay? From beginning to end, very short lesson. That's the most important part, right? 7 minutes, something like that. So just follow along to the very end, and you'll get it. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start with pulling the long part for the actual stick of the broomstick. Line down there. I'm gonna pull up. It's gonna be the like a crooked top of the broomstick, kind of like somebody made it out of like a stick or something like that. I kind of like those a lot more because I feel like witches feel very like I like the aesthetic of witches to be like that old lore, right? From 100 years ago or something like that or more. I like that kind of lore. Down over here for the length of the stick there. And now we're getting down to where the bristles are. And right here, we're going to start seeing that come up a little bit there, like here. I'm going to do this zigzag thing, like this. Bristles. Curve over here. Curve right here. And what we're doing is we're doing like the string or the rope, kind of binding that area at the end of it. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff. I post 3 Halloween drawing tutorials every single weekday through the season. So for about 2 months, I'm going to be doing that. Absolutely, don't forget, hit that subscribe, click the bell notification. The cool part is it subscribes you for next year too, because I'm going to stop posting videos in mid-year, whatever. And then next year, you're going to be like, oh, what was that channel with all the Halloween tutorials? Oh, wait, it's just starting to show up on my feed because I start posting again. Anyways, let's keep on going over here. So now I'm going to go over here, curve over here, this part of the broom, curve over here for this part of the broom. Out, zigzag, out over here, zigzag. Here, zigzag. And I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna just do this random jaggediness at the end of the broomstick. Okay, outside the broomstick. At the end of the bristles of the broom. There we go, right there, see? So now it looks like a pile of hay, and we wanna avoid that. So I'm gonna draw some thin line, go over here. Try to make it maybe thinner. Line over here, drawing down, maybe even like, you see that? It doesn't have to fully connect. One over here. Over here. And over here. Line over here, here, line over here. See that? We're drawing like disconnected. Also, the other thing I like about it is it usually tends to be thinner lines because you're creating this entire, because this at this point is detail, but it's also like texture, right? Because the entire outer, like that's the main shape and this is the texture in it. We're gonna do something similar with the wood part as well right now. But before that, we're gonna go into this. And before that, don't forget, if you wanna learn how to draw anything and everything, go to the new website, sketchingeasy.com. sketchingeasy.com. Go check it out. There's a beginner drawing lesson over there, like total beginner, how to get your lines super clean. And you just got to go on the website, front page, click on the dragon. It's going to take you right to that lesson. Okay. Free, totally free. No sign up, nothing. All right, let's go over here and do the same thing to this part. up right there. Follow the flow, right? So up there, follow the flow up there, right here, 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 right there, right? You got that? You want that flow there. That's a very big thing. So meaning it flows in one direction. You're not gonna make bristles that go this way because you can tell the entire flow is one singular direction. Let's go over here to the wood part. Line over here. Line over here. So now what am I doing? I want it to look like it was made of wood, right? And so I'm trying to put some of that striations that wood has. Even like a little circle there, you know, the knots in the wood. You can maybe put one or two over here. And again, that's more of a texture, meaning when you look at that, you don't look right at that. Your eye sees the entire structure of it first, then it goes to all the little details, which can change, by the way. It just looks like, think about like lightning and how that goes. And that's kind of the way I think of like striations and stuff. Not so much this, because that's like a straight line, but these are more like striated randomness. And that's pretty much it, okay? That's all you need. That's all you need to do. If you want to throw anything extra, maybe you can throw some more, maybe darks over here. You might be able to do that. But it doesn't have to be that way, okay? The last thing is, don't forget to check, pick up a sticker. Those are going to be out by, I think, like, what are we on? This is Halloween's about a month and a week away. So in a month, those things are going to be gone 100%. So go pick up a sticker right now. And then that's pretty much, what's the announcement? Share the video if you do want to help the channel out. It's definitely cool to do that. And that is it. Talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. Don't forget, you can ask any questions you want. I'm very open here. And yeah, if you want any more help drawing wise, literally ask me a question. Even if you just want to say hi, hey, what's up? Happy Halloween, or I can't wait for Halloween to show up, or you know what your Halloween outfit's gonna be, tell me, or what are you gonna do for Halloween? Any of that stuff, I respond to every single comment. Talk to you next time. And I want you to do one thing. I want you to stay spooky.